It's not a simple one, y'all. Trying to fix my heat in my truck. Supposedly there's an actuator that I have to change within the center console, so that's what I know right now, and pretty much we're gonna try to fix that and get it done today, get my heat back running. What I'm thinking is it's a bend door that is broken, and I have to replace the actuator.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her man.
So apparently the actuator is above this somehow. I'm not sure exactly, but we have to clear that out. So that's the first problem that I already saw was going to be a little complicated. So I'm going to go through it slow. I have nothing to do tomorrow, so worst case scenario, it'll be stuck like this until tomorrow. But let's see. Let's get it started. I don't know where to start, but I actually want to get this wet vac down. I'm gonna see if I can rent one actually, and probably clean this whole inside out today or tomorrow. Since I got the seats, I'm gonna take out the seats right now. I might as well. But yeah, first set of screws in there is right here, 10 millimeters. So we're gonna have to figure out everything else little by little. I think this is a 15. So 15 millimeters. Now it comes up. So this whole one is done right now. Let's see. Like an embedded penny, y'all. She's never been. Ooh. Another one. Darn. Crazy though. I definitely want to clean this out though, see what I mean? But now we get directly to the screws. You can see the whole side and take it out one by one. So yeah, we got it out, and look what's here. I don't know how old that is, but yeah, a little complicated. Now we have a bunch more screws to kind of release this, so I would have broke it otherwise. So little by little. Yeah, so honestly, this shit just broke. Not broke apart, but it's electrical. I can actually leave this in the back. I'm not gonna take that out. That's gonna go right there. Alright, so now, okay, you guys can see it. So this is the base, obviously with more junk in it. Keep on getting all these pennies and stuff, but and cleaning it out. There's spider webs, but pretty much the bend doors are supposedly behind these two. So that's where we're at right now. And yeah, you're right, guys. So the bend doors are right here, right above this plastic. I'm not sure if it's movable, but I gotta remove the bolts here. This whole bracket right here to take out the vent. So it's a little complicated, honestly, but we're gonna get to success. That's the whole point, right? Fixing the problem, so I have no choice. All right, there you go. Vent 1 is gone. Look at this, it's crazy. This is not even my Hershey's. There's webs in here, let me see it. This is not my Hershey's. I don't even eat Hershey's. It's kind of cool, because this is like all the original shit, you know, whatever you may find in here. It's from the original owner. Look, oof. Doing those webs, but look, this penny is his, not mine. But now it's mine. But yeah, so the bend door is right here, that little white box, that's the bend door. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to kind of maneuver in there the best possible. But I know this is gonna be a tough one. So that's one, it's supposed to be 3 of them. So I have to take them out, test them, make sure each one works. See which one's broken and then replace it. I got one of them I bought. Hopefully everything goes good. All I have is one problem. Now, you know how complicated this is, man. I'll show you guys. This really sucks though. It's so hard to get back there. I'm putting this little ass 5/16 on this long screw. I don't know why they did that. Why they should have cut it in half It's just to hold these up. But yeah, so I got one out. About to get the second one, and the other one's on the top. It's so complicated. You can actually see it through here. So I don't know if that's like they're trying to tell you to go through this, but you can't. So it's really like I got my hand here. See, my hand is on the screw. So I don't know. I'm hoping that we could just. I guess maybe I have to use the wrench the opposite way on this side. Let's see. Very tough though, man. Very, very tough. Very tough. So I actually got the last screw out. Now it's time to pop it. Oh, perfect. Figure out how to put it back in the same way. Slide down, bang. Wow. Hopefully this is the problem. Well, this definitely is the problem. Let's hope. Okay. So now, new, old. And it looks like this is the wrong one. Definitely for this side, I'm not sure. But we're gonna see if the plug fits. I don't know. See? So when you buy stuff online, you don't know. But I don't know if the plug fits. It could be just the wrong side. And I already got the other side. The plug fits, so. Plug fits. So now the goal is to put the car on and test. The fan is on, so it's off. So now this is this door, or is it this door? Let's see, I have to turn it on. This one ain't turning at all. So now the test is if the other one is different. So I know I think both of them are jammed. But yeah, so yeah, you just heard this. I don't know what I'm supposed to, but. I don't remember how I put it in though. That's this one. Let's go to the other side now. Let's check it out. So thanks to Pine Hollow again, man. My guy always doing his thing, but we definitely found out the problem. Let me turn this over real quick. So there's two actuators here. They're supposed to be moving. I saw it in his video. I'm gonna double check on mine right now, but more than likely on his, they said it was broken, and I saw the broken part. Mine's is not. I can see they're both intact. So more than likely the actuator is actually bad. We're gonna find out in a few, and let's see. So overall, dissecting this whole thing, it's definitely not a one-day job, guys, because I've been here for hours and I'm exhausted. I don't know, this looks like rat shit or something like that. Maybe there was a rat in here at one point. I'm not sure how they're not here now. But whatever. There's a bunch of stuff here that's dirty as hell. So I'm gonna definitely take it to the gas station and clean it up. But even if I remove this black thing, I can still clean it up some more. So, but we get somewhere. So I wanted to show you real quick because I got it. Oh, let me turn this off real quick. As you can see, it's pretty much like Legos or Connect. Right, but we got it in, man. It's actually working. So I definitely was the blend door was definitely my problem for heat. Yeah, one problem. So this is the original one, right, from 2003 or 2, whatever, original. And then they sold me one, something like this. This is the wrong one though. I actually bought this one on eBay, and it was the wrong one when I actually installed it. It is what it is. So I bought the new one. It's inside at the moment from AutoZone for $50. So let's see if I can show you. There's a Duralast part. Here's the Duralast part number. Right. So I just saved these. I'm gonna throw these out now, but I just saved these to show you guys in a vid. But pretty much, heater control is controlled by this bend door. This one right here is controlled by your blowers, where you control your blower, and this one particularly is controlling all those other mechanisms to open up each door. I don't even know why max AC was on, but we're gonna go into heat on the floor. Unfortunately, I still couldn't get air. Even when I checked out these videos about the vent and the vacuum is coming into the car. I'm getting vacuum, and then for whatever reason, the vacuum goes through that line and just stops. So I gotta find out where that line connects to, and then we should be golden.